Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
Floating window lets you multitask on a 71-inch Redmi 12c display easily. To enable it, open Settings and choose Special Features now. Tap Floating Window and toggle it on in the menu. Alternatively, open an app and swipe up to Recent Apps view. Long press the app card and select Open in Floating Window. The floating window opens as a resizable overlay you can resize and move. You can drag the overlay to any screen corner for convenience. This guide shows to resize a floating window, drag any corner or edge with one finger. To move it, touch and hold the title bar and drag across the screen. Tap the three-dot menu to lock size, enable transparency, or enable always on top. You can reply in chats, copy text, and use the keyboard without closing the overlay. Close the window with the X, swipe it off screen, or use recent apps to dismiss. Floating windows work alongside split screen for flexible multitasking on one display. Open Settings, choose Floating Window, and set app exceptions for allowed apps. Use three-finger swipe or corner gesture to open recent floating windows quickly. Limit background activity for specific apps to avoid battery drain while using overlays. Enable transparency at 30% to see context behind the overlay without distraction. Set window size presets for common tasks like video at 480p or note-taking. Restart the phone if floating windows misbehave and update MIUI for stability fixes. Practice these tips to speed multitasking and improve daily productivity.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.